Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to multiply a set of numbers by a constant. So now I'm going to, in this sheet 2, I'm going to start writing the number. Let's say in this cell A2, I'm putting the number 4. And I wanted all the values in here to multiply by 4, okay? So multiply each of this value by this one, okay? Now, 4 is stored in cell A2, okay? And these ones are still stored from cell C2 up to C5. Now we are going to write the formula here to multiply. As we have seen in previous tutorial, just to multiply, we can either write the cell reference and use asterisk, or you can click on the cell like this one to add it, right? Okay, enter. Now here's the thing. In previous lesson, we have seen we don't have to write the formula. Excel gives us a solution. A quick way to do that, just copy the formula down. Okay. Now here's what happened. As I copied the formulas down, Excel gave me 0, 0 for the rest. Why? Let's click on this. Okay, why? Because Excel, as you're copying the formula down, it's changing the cell values, right? It's changing the row. So you have to tell Excel that it should not change if something needed to be constant, okay? How do we do that? Let me show you. So this one is supposed to be constant. When I'm writing my formula, I should tell Excel not to change this one. How do I do that? I'm adding a dollar sign, okay? Dollar, A, and then again, dollar, okay? Sorry, not S, dollar, yeah? Let's do that. Still, the result remains the same. Now, when I copy the results, the formula down, see, we get the exact results. So we have told Excel not to change this one, okay? So it can multiply each. Oh, avoid clicking this one while you are working, okay? So we have told Excel by putting this sign that it should not change this value, okay? That's why that value remained constant. You can click here on show formula view, show formula to see all the formulas, okay? Show formula, where exactly is formulas? Yeah, so you can click on show formula to see all the formulas here, right? So you can see A, as we are copying the formulas down, the other ones are changing, but this one remained constant. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.